In 1870, a court decision was that a corporation was a legal being. And the decision that was made this year by the Supreme Court transferred it from more than just being a legal being to having the same privileges as a human.
Having fun at your people's desk?
Having the human right under the First Amendment. It's this Citizens versus Federal Election Committee was the case. I got the code on it. But basically that gave the citizens unlimited rights to say what they wanted in a campaign, even though they were a corporation. As a friend of mine who had been a seminarian said, he didn't like suing people, but he felt nothing wrong suing a corporation because a corporation lacks a soul. So how can you have a being that is non-human having equal rights to humans? Does that mean that the car in the future won't have the same privilege? No, really.
Yeah. Yeah, really, because I thought a corporation was a piece of paper in a filing cabinet.
Yes, it may be, but nonetheless it has First Amendment privileges.
And that was that new ruling that gave it...
The citizens' decision.
Wow. That's pretty powerful. Anything else you'd like to say to the world about
Yeah, sure.
Occupy Providence or Occupy the World? Or
well, right now it is Occupy the World. I mean, after all, you had it hung around. I mean, the way I found out about this was through the BBC 12 weeks ago. American news is about 4 to 5 weeks behind the BBC. They had better coverage of New Orleans with the floods. The American TV is homogenized milk. As Jack White once asked me, how come people only watch the weather? I said, because you get homogenized milk on the air.